다들이야. ane chilab rimugi dene khashrodaji podo chilab rimudi shorang the A4 size lagorodaji di shorang jusumzi do zezanda di ma tari nimasumri 상화지 야고지 슈트해야 돼. 갈라가고 주지 처음에 넣었어. 나지 당과를 위해서도 지금은 안 되는 샤래. 지금 때 드셔를 비우는 셰비는 한 달로 사 갈라가고 샤래. 다들 인도산에 엔다디지 당과 샤야 돼. 디스 강에로 테스.
The long soliloquy by Potoa takes about 13 pages on A4 size paper. And so it's actually difficult for me to teach the entire text over the course of just 3 more days. One way would be for me to just read the text straight through, but then it would be difficult for me to give any explanation.
다들이 인도산에 지당 셰비미나 에너지기 가르쳐다 거기 몰람기 진리야다 지 원주 송취의 내주 가가지 다 이면에야 무식 거기 몰람기 걸이야 제 가제 투도지기 까담비 지 까담 공모수에게 지 송 렉시에드네마 가자도도르지마 슈튜브 초네 아무시라면 로스 가라사나 아니지 냐메 다부 거유니 가사 초经济 체제 안 지준 밀레레바나 마규베지 차가신보다 나로 추루기 규바 냠세 남버선도 마세베 근데 조지 해지니 규비 기부스미 예람레라 조디 튜몽기 가로다지 조디 시전로디 안 기부스미 예람레디 시자로나 디토알이야 에너지 로림기 장신비제수 되네 차게치보다 추루기 냠레나 저도 수용되게 어레 레이베 두산 티규젠데네 가제도도르지 그주만 의식걸이야 가담 코메소 가제도도 시에도나 삼바로 틀리
Now, the pre-Munlam teachings are a slightly different matter, but during the teachings during the actual Kaju Munlam, I think it is best for me to teach as much as I can from the words of the great Kadampa forefathers. And the reason for this is that in the Dakpo Kaju, we are the confluence of the lineages of the Kadampa and Mahamudra. And so this means that we practice the instructions on the Mahamudra and the 6 yogas of Naropa that come down from Milarepa. But the foundation for that practice is the gradual training in the 3 types of individuals that descends from the great Lord Atisha. That is like the foundation. Once we have gradually fully trained our mind, then we begin the practice of Mahamudra and these 6 yogas. And so for that reason, during the actual Kaju Munlam, I think it is best to, or I try as much as I can, to teach the words of the Kadampa masters.
다들이 인도산 가자도도르반 드시게 다지 달로 마사나 사나 모티니 샤로 드지체는 드그면로 섬토스 정도.
And so for that reason, I thought it would be best for me to give as many explanations as I can, and then we can continue this next year.
다디 가담비 다디 보도의 칠럽리모스 다디 로존 칠럽리모야 쇼요아레 디 제바보다 가장 쉬운 능신기 가담비 계획 신예 군지 수모 다 군지 시스제 용수 잡아 디나네 보도와 rinjese 다 군지 시장 군지 숨장부이나 보도와 지장아와 부종와지 군지 숨체 군지 시장부이나 얘는 계시 칸발롱버디 내내 군지 시처라 보도와 지장아와 부종와의 군지 숨다 군지 시장부이나 디딩도 칸발롱바 계시 칸발롱버디 내비나 군지 시처 있어요.
Now, this text, the long soliloquy of Potoa, is also called the mind training, the long soliloquy. And its author is well known as being one of the three or one of the forefathers of the Kadampa lineage. As I mentioned yesterday, it is Potoa Rinchen. And so if we... Potoa Rinchen Sang. And so when we consider there as being three Kadampa forefathers, then this would be Potoa, Chengoa, and Buchunga. And then when we consider there being four forefathers, in addition there is...
Maybe brother? Not good? Okay.
In Tibetan, it's literally brothers. It sounds better to say forefathers in English for some reason. And the fourth one is adding includes a master from
Kambalumba.
Kambaloba.
다 제라양 게시 보도와 디 충서디 편유를 중이버래 편보 다 디상 종지래 편보 훈주 종사지 종지래 디스트릭트 지래 다 디나 편별롱배기 나로라야 중지래.
Now, Geshe Potoa was born in Nepal in a district called Khenchen
Tibet.
Excuse me, a district of Tibet called Khenchen Hundu.
It's Pembo Hundu, the district of Pembo Hundu Zong. Its current district name is called Pembo Hundu Zong.
So the district is currently called Pembo Hundu Zong.
Rinchen Sal Sak Tsendi Rubdu Chunga goes top of
His name, Rinchen Sang, is the name he was given when he was ordained.
Da Kongi Ji Takadam Beji Karudati Gishit Tembala, Drum Tembalea, Lord Dun Tene, Tawashubim.
He spent 7 years serving the great Kadampa master Dom Tumpa and received the instructions then.
Tene Chi, Tene Konga Lama, Gishin Drum Tembegi Desa, Radintia, Radingi Desa, Zingon, Lochis Nangness, Inea Tako Days, Lochis Nan Tijelea Days, took trouble of Shama Jones, Tene Korangi, Chung Yu Summer. Pinyulia, Pembu Lumba, Pembo Sadi, Lumba de Leapa, Peche, Shuimre.
And then he spent a year administering the main seat of Drompompa, Radring Monastery. But it seems he was not so pleased with doing this, and so later then he returned to his homeland of Pempo in Bayu.
Dene Kongi Penyulia Poto Gomba Saji. The Gomba Selea Poto Saji. The Ligi Gomba Stabna Rechi.
And he founded a monastery in Payu that was called the Poto Monastery.
Tene Kongi Kadambe Lim Sumbe Gablia, Ji Be Mangbu Shaji. Be the Mangbu Shaji, Sunguye in Dusane, Kadam Beshu Sadi, Chungi Bare, Tagana Shingi, Kadam Shunjugi Sheba, Kadam Shunduki Sheba Yachambu Zeba in San Diku then Kadam Basa, Sandy, and Manguchi Sena, and a Gishi Podoicos, and Kadam Basa, Sandy Chubares, Susur de Israel.
Now, when in the Kadampa masters, in their works, they give many different examples, and so sometimes they and analogies and comparisons. So sometimes they're described as the lineage of comparisons. But then Potowa also wrote a text called the establishing the positions of the oral tradition or the Kadampa. And so in this way, many people explain that the name Kadampa comes from Geshe Potowa.
Tadene Kongi Lomegi Tuti, Ninda Sunjik Dove, Summerway. Ninda Nina Singita, Lometu, Nimatan Dawati, Gesil, Langer Tambatan, Gesi Sharawa, Nabani Shuimbare.
His two foremost disciples, who were like the sun and moon, are the Geshe Langri Tampa and the Geshe Shariwa.
Tadene Tagana Singi, Kadambi Geshe, Kara Gumchung Saravada, Tana Sing Geshe Nurumba, Geshe Kamapa, Geshe Niusurba, then Tana Sing Geshe Tulumbalasava, Kadamba Gevishine, Ta Kandarbe, Nirashi, Mambusi, the Kongoloma.
There are also many other great Kadampa masters who were his students. There was Nyurumpa, there's Neo Singpa, Tulungpa, Kangbu, and Karampa, and various other great Geshes who were his students.
Ta Kanda Kazan Shuban and Singi, Bodowegi, Zudi, Midabalia. Nyamlen Shushananche, Midaba Kona, Jingamshana, Yondi Usre, Nyamling Tito, Jinyamling Zoro Naj.
Now, as I mentioned yesterday, Potowa's main practice was the contemplation of impermanence. He was always thinking about impermanence. This formed the center or the basis or the primary aspect of his practice.
Genyechigi Podowal Kandishubis. That Chujik bed, Nyamlecha, Chujik Michigi Chujik Jibu, Nyamle, Chaimina, Tati, Nyamle Karachana girls. Nyamle Shidaki Machepse, Chujik Jibu, Nyamlechana, Nyamle de Karachana girls, Kandishubusane, Gishi Podoweg, that Chujik Mother Nyamlechig Mevina, Tati Karanyamlecha Orasana, Midaba Comedy.
There once was a lay practitioner who asked Potowa, if you can only do one Dharma practice, then what is that practice that you should do? If you can't do any other practices and can only do one practice, what should you do? And Potowa responded, if you can only practice one Dharma, then what you should practice is impermanence.
Tati Midaba Jigi Midaba the Tindiji Takata Church in Yamle Machiba in there, Yamle Machigi Tikita, Midaba Kona Yamle Chen, that Tindebe Midaba the Nengashan Butinde Kare Chati or Sanata, the Jumse Manguch Stonche, that Jumse Manguch Stone, that Ina Bena. Bechatsan Bimina, Betsuns of Shivimina Midaba Gom, the name Gomba Nansingi, Midaba, the Yule, yes, one. Then the Pedo Karearasana, Tambu, Church Guchiris, Churba, Chuyaba, the Midaba, Yuli Jeba Teledensian, Tangaji Church Shugu, Summer of the Nizigi, Kandara, Kajura, the Dabachambach, what is the Digus and then Church Guchiris. Then a part of Church Ruby Genchiris. That Church Nevi Shugulea, then a Church Yang Tabaji Druyaji. 최대 약보지 가서 취든 튀면지 냠len 차려야 그 미다바 냠len 용게 지빈 냠len 차 펜토르스 되네 다나 타마 최 타르침비 좋아지르스 다지 미다방 오마지 귤이 깨서나 최 타르머진기 봐도 디시도 진에 가서지 다 르마당아 치치 네 가서 최 타르침비 지그레스 되게 손
And so what is the main point here in saying that if you don't practice any other dharma but only meditate on impermanence? What is the main point in saying this? There are many different things that can be said about this, but for example, if you meditate upon impermanence and then you realize it as you have meditated upon it, then in the beginning, it is the cause that makes you seek the Dharma. When you have meditated upon impermanence and realized impermanence, then you think to yourself, I need to get Dharma teachings, and you have a great desire for Dharma teachings. And so this is the cause of you seeking the Dharma. And then in the middle, it is the condition that brings you to accomplishment. After you have first realized it and found the Dharma, then you try to practice that Dharma truly. You try to practice it properly. And so the meditation or the practice of impermanence is beneficial in this as well. Eventually, in the end, it is the companion or the aid to achieving the final result. And so because of meditating upon impermanence, then you will not give up until you have achieved the ultimate result. And so in this way, it is an aid to achieving the ultimate result of the Dharma practice.
제가 계시 보도에게 지 공글로마레야 다 교란기 치워미다 바사데 야네양도 곰 치워미다 바콜 야네양도 삼동고레스.
And so for that reason, Potoa told his students that they should repeatedly meditate upon death and impermanence. They should contemplate it over and over again.
다 칭예베가 로스머베 지 간다르지 치워는 예배 로타 쳐버는 근데 충분히미나 디바 포야사 근데 깔래 침부시라나요 말았어 개월 주발랑 깔래 침부시라나요 말았어 그래서나 수술해야지 치wen직베가 로 슉창부지에 인주산에 디기 슉이 간다르지 가다 디바 포야다 개월 주야래야 깔래 잡투버지 당 다나 신기 텔레 준주
This is because if you have the certainty that you are going to die, if you have that definite feeling that you're going to die, then it is not difficult for you to give up misdeeds, nor is it difficult to accomplish virtues. The reason for this is that because of having such a powerful fear of death, the strength of that will make you be able to have the diligence and put in the effort to be able to give up the misdeeds and to be able to accomplish the virtues. This will automatically occur.
딕봉 기트르 치알랑 아솔 강에 태워 지 딕바 봉아 개와 주야 들량 아솔이야 레라우요마 아솔 다 깔레 접투요 마네 다나 신기 에너지 가수에 다 신다 파샤네 다베네 베네 니마치리아 지 베네 몰람드 수비미네 니마치리아 아니 약부치지 간다지 베 몰람그 소래 나로래 약부치지 대투야래 강에 가서 강에 태도와 제가 띠 가르를 때는 가서 강에 태어를 슬라면은 아주기 셈리야 보도에 쏘나 아주기 셈리야 치워입니다 봐 지금 오늘 저녁에 다지 치와 칭예베기 삼바징아 저로 마게베 인상 디 균전에 대해 에너지 수수기 융아 이손 간다 길루다 뇽레스네 자도 레르왕도 쇼니 될 내가 가리네 제모도 봐 깔레 자모도 봐 다나 신기 준주 제모도 봐 지금 거라서 계신 아주 심규리아 간다 지 칭예베기 삼바 로타셔가 근데 중국 이미나 아니 디봉 기두치알 강에 되었어요 말고 랑킹 랑기 간다지 가르쳐야지 심슈 지다 다나 신기 지 쪼안으로 지금 그랬어 근데 소리
But it's difficult for us to give up misdeeds and to accomplish virtue. It's not easy for us to do this. And if we think about it, it's very difficult for us to actually do this. I mean, if we don't even think about any other times, even just a single day, such as during this Munlam, here we are gathered in the Munlam, and for us to spend a single day behaving well while we are holding this Munlam is rather difficult. And so the reason why it is difficult, as in what Potoa says, is because we have not really realized in our minds, in our hearts, that death and impermanence. Because we have not developed that certainty that we will die, then it is difficult for us, or then our body, speech, and mind become rather indolent or slothful. That means we get lazy. And when we get lazy, then no matter what we try to do, it is difficult for us to be diligent about it. But if we develop the certainty that we are going to die, then there is no difficulty in giving up misdeeds, because we naturally will, within our mind streams, develop that enthusiasm and inspiration. And now I'll read a little bit from the long soliloquy.
대신도 천디다 치마니 민주배 대야 치마 편지 개체 취샤마지 작업을 노냥
One arrow cannot kill two deer. One dog cannot bite both your ankles. You cannot sew with a two-pointed needle. If you step forward with one foot and back with the other, you will never get where you are going. Likewise, you cannot accomplish both this life and the next, and the next and following lives are more important. Thus you must practice Dharma genuinely.
치와 샤마지 되나? 뭐보 탐지에는 jensengi dudu zabung wanzawa si wongwardo kowe dongegi gyuk shamar lona ji gyang goba me nyamba yang chung te zana tsendi lumala lo shamar loni shenda samba ye midyumba shik midyumba ji wongwardo di tsendi chetab sangtab mbashi chebe mitong zana mindi gungi nyingla jitenba yin nyamba wongwardo.
When you truly remember death, all things will be like hay heaped before a carnivore. When the suffering of samsara truly nauseates you, the thought will frequently occur to you that you need nothing at all. At that time, your mind will genuinely turn away from ambitions for this life, and your attitude will be completely incompatible with anyone else's. When I see people only doing things to become great and get good things in this life, I wonder, what are all these people thinking in their hearts?
Dandi karasana jigi chunji densa. Chunji densa de karasana da jigden saade gumdil jigden saade sendi khona tyondo nyarabchi sendi gi da chetab sangtab ji chenbo yong tabshi sangbo yong tabshi khona tyondo nye denge delaya jigden bas chöba sedu sang garasana sana se chima penjigi da ganda ji pende tyondo nye denge delaya chöba sla고 지당 그 최는 지든 사들라 그런 지시 잡당 왕고 줘야 있네 껌들이야 드레지 사부동
And so here we are talking about the Dharma and the worldly. So here the worldly means when we have interest only in this life, when we do things to become great or do things to get good things in this life. That means that when we do things to become great and good, when we try to become good in this, to get good things in this life, when we're only thinking about this life, then that is what we mean by worldly here. Dharma in this context means thinking about the next and future lifetimes. It means bringing oneself benefit and happiness in the future lifetimes. So that means a Dharma practitioner. In general, there are many different explanations of the meaning of Dharma and worldly, but in this context here, this is what it means.
금디기 지 최단 지된 사야디 미유베데 가르 훈이 미유디 경계차 가임받는 마스베 경계차 가르서 찌기 센디관나 되는 얘기 알아 찌기 세치마 편식 되는 얘기 알아 제가 훈이 가임받는 마스베 경계차 대 경계차디 예베 인두산에 다디니 니가 냠도 용답이 와마
And so here, the Dharmic and the worldly have very different aims. Not only are their aims different, their aims are essentially contradictory. One is only interested in this life. One is interested in the next and future lives. And so these are not just different aims, they are contradictory, opposite aims. And so for that reason, there is no way that these two can go together.
서럽지만 상로마다 센데 상보용하다 첨보용하다 탑시 제비나 다 미기와 텐데 알아서 미기와 뭔고 제고 알아서 미기와 제비나 땡예손 주고요 알아서 세치마 편지 삼담이나 다 개월 주고요 알아 아다지 원토 공방 라서바데 주고요 알아 제가 디니 니가로 예손 주바다 원토 주바니 뒤지라 용고 말아
If our aim is for this life and not the next life, then for the sake of this life, we need to do many unvirtues. And because of doing these non-virtues, we will then be reborn in the lower realms. If our aim is for the next and future lives, then we need to accomplish virtues. We need to accomplish the happy states. And these two, the lower realms and the higher realms of the happy states, cannot both happen at the same time.
야부시부지 배 니가로 야부용하로 지대 삼단되고 지단다 천디기 된주야다 세침에 된주야 지단 차네 가와처가 아이나 삼천이 그래서 지단다 천디 된 섬으로부터지 지 천디라 칼라사진 고래 아는지 류로 관야진 고래 다는 신기 템뷰티뷰지 고고라다데 다 임베네 천디 코나 천디 지부올이야 니지 가르 천디 지부가 된들레베 지부올베 삼로베 리버 드림 안 디지부올이야베 가르라다지 미유티 터도 미유르 디지부 송세 디세비나 다데 군이가 차로
And so here he gives many different examples of this, such as one arrow cannot kill two deer. So what our hope is that we can actually, what we usually hope is that we can do both the Dharma and worldly things. We want things to be good in this life and in the future lives. And so this is our hope. This is what most of us hope. We want for things to be, we want to have both. And so generally, when we think about it, when we think about the needs of this life and the needs of future lives, sometimes I wonder, are they really contradictory? Because in this life, we do need food. We do need clothes to wear. We do need a few things. But if our aim is only upon this life, if we only think about and concentrate entirely on this life and focus our attention on this life, and have no other ultimate aim than this, then that is contradictory.
And is in Beji Karisharasana. Ngazu Koba Budusane. Gamba Yeji Pasha, Gamba Yeji Tsupen, Rushing Matters. Jig Papu, Jig Tsupen, Rushing Matters. And drog on a Gamba Nigalo, Karchok, one Roguina, Pound Roguina, Gamba Niga Papon, Romato, Gamba Yeji Papu, Gamba Yeji Tsupen, Rushing Matters. 다가난 생기지 최지 주구에 노도지 파스텔 아 수스텔 지된 주구에 노도 집에 니가로래야 깜번 인주 자체네 된도다 최지리 니가 루야지 용고 많았어.
Another example that he gives is of walking. If you try to go someplace and you step forward with one foot and you step backward with the other foot, you're not going to get anywhere. Both feet need to move in the same direction. If you're going to get where you're going, you have to move both feet in the same direction. If you want to go over there, you need to walk with both feet in that direction. If you go in that direction with one foot and then the other direction with the other foot, you're not going to get anywhere. And it's like that. We try to take some steps in practicing the Dharma. We imagine that we're practicing the Dharma. Then we take some steps to imagine that we are doing something worldly, and we try to step in both directions. But in actuality, it's difficult to do both.
세상 아주 삼루베 땡땡 삼루 가르쳐지 흘려 당거라서 오늘 전에기 지 가르 두야에 맞지 수수 미지데 정부게요 말았어 미지 튼두지 마도요 말았어 미지 체가는 니니야로 와다 미지 체가 니니야로 와다 니메 콘티스 주주죠 봐 니니베 걸을 내가 지었어 다 미지 체가 뒤에 다 미지데 곱샤를 잡이네 체가는 니니인데도 다 체가 뒤 다 체가 뒤에 주주 망고 정하고 초라 주고다 다 뒤나는 오늘 전에 다지 미지 튼두지 마도 매베 이미 뉴스안에 다 수수 곱샤를 잡이네 오늘 전에 내가 차고 주주 오늘 전에 수수기 삼배 내가 주야 주주 다 미망고 진리야 베너지 다 당부 샤베야 랑한테지 클라사다 디기 양지 주주 망고 지산으로 봐 다한테 미망고 진라 내가요 내가 가시지 수수 내가 더 전대 매비네 다지 도고를 통네 내가 더 맞이라 저 도치 그래서 디기 내가 차고 주주의 파유 당 오늘 전에 수수기 삼번 신기 수수 삼련나 예번 신기 내가지 제고 삼나 디 제하고 두주 가져요 미지지가 나 디 제하고 두주 싫어요 제자다 두주 균두지 마도 매비 인두산 디 나로라 야나 챈디 두고르스 야나 챈치마 두고르스 다 챈디 지금 뉴마 간데지 셰비네야 뉴마디 찌르 데네스나라도 다 간다르지 미유디 찌 송제 셰비나 고라 펜토 치그레 랩 치그레 캡 치그레 다 간다르디 펜토 치그레
So we really need to think about this. We need to take our time and think about what is it that we really need in this life. This life is not very long. This life is very short. And we spend half of this life sleeping. During the day when we're not sleeping, we can do a few things, but in the night we're mostly asleep. So we spend a half of our time asleep. And the other half of the time, actually we waste a lot of that remaining time. And so we have a very short time, and we have to divide our time, or partition our time. We have to think very carefully about how we're going to apportion our time. So many people, you wake up and you get up in the morning, and then you have breakfast, and just that takes an awful lot of time. And then most people have to go to jobs. Even if they don't want to go to their job, they need to go to work in order to be able to afford their food and clothing and so forth. And so, even if you were able to give it up and do whatever the job that you would like to do, or do the work that you would like to do, how much time do you actually have to do it? We haven't got much time at all. We only have a very short time. And so in this short time, are we going to work for the sake of this life, or are we going to do it for the sake of the future lives? So it's important that whatever we do, we have to have a single aim. If we try to do both, we won't get it done. If you have a single aim, then there is more benefit. You're more able to get things done. There is a greater profit to doing it. So it is more beneficial to have just a single aim.
제자 답보도와 디 코란 딘지 가르르에 뭐네지 지dengi 퇴매에 샤와 지 디솔리아네 가르르다지 된다자는면도 초민도 삼네 다들 셴바를 로스 셴바로네 셴바로 연두사네 되네 미신다다 냠도 제바치두사네 쿠즈기 삼로 동단다 보도와 나랑기 스머베 코랑기 세나라도 보도와 나랑 스머베 삼로 동단디 퉁기민두스 가라사나 공기 다 지딩 자와드라데 초민도 삼바르지 공기 삼부들이 땅 셴다디즈기 지딩 자와드라데 개심부이 버버지다 다 첸디기지 가르라다지 채답 상답으로디 개침이 버르 삼타에서 남주 계제시들에 안에 삼동당 가서 퉁으면 됐어. 제가 네 고zul라 가르르다지 네 가르르다지 시체에서 네 고zul이야다지 보도와 코랑기 미시다드저 처음에와 통 미시다드저 보도와 처음에와 통네 다 봐주 네가 처음에와 통도스.
And so Potoa himself saw that the worldly aims and the sake of the world is not beneficial. It's pointless and meaningless. And so he was revolted by this. So because he was revolted by the worldly, when he would make connections with other people, then their attitudes and his own attitude did not fit at all. They did not match at all. And this is because he would say that there is no point at all to anything worldly. And others would think there's no point to what Potoas is doing. Potoa would think there's no point to the worldly. There's no point in only doing things to become great and get the good in this life. And so when they would have conversations, or their attitudes would be incompatible. Potoa would worry about the other people, and the other people would worry about Potoa, and they'd both think that each other was doing something pointless and meaningless.
rāng lā xā tsā nē, kio tē dār mā chē, gē khār nyō mōng dē zhō, kā chā pā zam tsā kī, gē chōr kī chō yī, rāng shū kāng nē, rāng dā dī gō bā yī sē nē, chō yōn dē bā māng bō chōng dē, khōng nām lā yāng, tē nām lā yāng, khōng wōr chē, ngā lā chō yōn dē bā dē dēng, khōng ngā lā xā tsā wā yī nyā bā mā chōng, lā rāng lā yē yī mū xē tē wā chōng dē, dī kūng yī chō mā sāng bā rā 마치 나다 대주인이 칭해 번도 남치 참이도 가자 소리는 신의 지죽체
So the text continues, many people have been concerned for me and given me advice. Don't be like that. You'll have trouble when you are old. Keep a few things. It will aid your spiritual practice. You need to knock and shoot your own arrow. To them I say, thank you, your advice may be true, but I have never thought they were concerned for me. Instead, I have felt even more depressed and disgusted. None of them think about the Dharma. It might be so if we were not to die, but death is certain. We do not know when we will die. What will we do if we die while still accumulating things?
다데 가르쳐서나 보도와라 샤사유 되게 스마레 보도와 디지 가르에 보도에 조보서 말하다 저 보도에게 샤사유 되게 근데 ngala 샤사유 되게 디스 계제 니르시도 ngala베 롭드는 버시 다 교란들이 지겨 말았다 교란들이 우마 콘 러딩레 데사 짠 데브라 러딩 진종체 러딩이 딱 가담베기 데서 주어들와 좀되베기 데서와 제가 우마 로직이리야 콘기 러딩 디 진종체버스 당행에 휴사이바 제가 우마 교란 러딩리야 데 디두사네 러딩레 게시 큐레 게라체지 요마르스 이내야 저 러딩네 트스와스데 러딩네 트네 루브르도 트네 드레체스와스 데교나 디두 체시지 트스레스다 디두 트메나 다다 러딩기 댄사디 게시 충고와사다 게시 녜외 바사 든지 유사레 디줄로 쇼르스 인스르바다 디줄로 쇼르도 마르스 디두 트메나 다다 교라 러딩기 베 댄사 짱네 베 답에 지부슈제제 대대어스 대두 제시 직초송스 교라
And so here, at this time, there were people who were concerned about Potowa. You could say they were his friends, people who were concerned about him and who gave him advice and who were saying, don't do that, what are you doing? It's like they're saying, you were at Radeng. This was Radeng Monastery. As I said before, he spent a year administering the monastery at Radeng. This is the main monastery of Drompa, and he spent a year there running the monastery. And so when these people would say to him, you in the past were at Radeng Monastery, and there was no geshe who was more well known than you. But then you all of a sudden up and left. And you muffed up all of your plans. You were in Rajang, and there were, and when you were in Rajang, there were geshes there. There was Chungbu and Neu who said, "Please come to Rajang," but you didn't go. So you had these great plans and opportunities, and yet you've mucked them up.
Actually, that means if you still there, the Rajang will in your hand won't lose to those geshe.
Okay, so if you had stayed at Rajang, it would still be in your hands, under your control. You would not have lost it to those other geshes.
다 대교랑 처시지 주스레스다. 다 드네 디젤이야. 공 팽유일 배로 그런 보유 펜별롱발 배. 펜별롱발 배네. 펜볼라 차깁해야지. 근데 지 사지주스. 차깁해야 사제미. 다 차깁래야. 되네 긴둔데 망본 뒤체. 갑디두스 긴두 동라트 뒤스래. 긴두 동란 뒤에 걸려야 디두산 테즈 교랑기 긴둔티 솔이야 다지베 뷰원라버지 가서 다지 나라도 대사지 인족샤는 서로 다지 긴둔티 체도 다지 송조로 시라 재미스 송조 재미의 인상 다다다 가르쳐줘서 긴론도 긴둔바티 상말로 베 쇼베 딱바르시 똑롱간 조고르스다 똑롱가 치로리아 칼라롱간 조고르스 다티 교란지 노소르스 갑디두산 티스티 칼라지 송조르 디스 제여나 다다 똑롱간 조고 말았어 제자다디 교란지 노르두스 다 교란들이 장가세니 치비나 다 교란 스트리트 дог somewhere 다지 라간 버루리 캠댕기기 진참난신 스트리트 조그나 차로서스 가야 대소민기 최고 토하는 대소민기 지딩 토하는 대소민기 신당민기 차로레스 아바도 초랑 게베 내거라 초랑 겐고 쳐두산 깔라카부쳐 욕부 중계매 그봐 욕부 중계매 클라스아매 강에 테레스 세상 다단의 대지 잘라 대지 송조체 냥도 거스 냐데는 제마 겐고 쳐두산에 배주 따는 거스 달랍지 저거다 보도할
And so they thus said to him, "You have messed up these plans." Then after that, Potoa had gone to the land of Peiyu, to Pempo. And while he was there at a place called Daiget, he founded he was at a monastery called Daiget Monastery. And at that time, there gathered there a large Sangha, about 1,000 members of the Sangha. And so they said to them, when you were there at Daiget, at that point, for the sake of those thousands of Sangha members, you should have gathered a few things. You should have accumulated some resources at that time. But you didn't. And so at that point, all of those bhikshus needed to go out every day to go begging for food. So they say, this is a mistake. You should have accumulated a few things to provide food for the Sangha, and you didn't do that, and so you made a mistake. And so if you continue only being like this, then eventually you're going to be like a street dog running around outside the monastery, a street dog who no one is going to pay any attention to, either in worldly terms or in the Dharma terms. You're going to be like a worthless street dog. In particular, when you get to be old, then you're going to have great difficulties. You won't have anyone to help you. You'll have great difficulty getting your food and providing yourself food. So now, while you can, you should gather some things so that you will be able to use them when you're old. So this is the advice that people gave him.
다들 정슈간 랑다 디고가 인사 된다로데 가르쳐버렸으나 된다 도도로데 랑기 깜배가나 랑고르다 다 보도와 교랑 운내트네 수수 깜배가나 수수 랑토가 지어레스 수수를 데즈 벤조 고레스 수수를 페마도 미시다 펜토고 마레스 제장 다 교랑 포초가지 차고레스 마도베 저거 말했지 나래야 랍서 장게 망고 중스 랍서 장게 대남로 콩 워치에서 두지시서바다 다들이도 콘솔라 두지시에서 인스다 고조 알디 트렌드게 랍서 장게들 두지시에서 인스 이나야 고수기 나래야지 트레답 서머베 자 랍서 자데 오늘은 대 덴바렌도 따티 랍서도 오늘 전에기 지그 랍서디 오늘 전에기 야부지렌도 삼바 근데 가제마소스 대 마젠베톨 던동파 근데 랍서 장게 됐을래야 다 민디수 안 치주 마젠게 안다지 가르르 치와 마젠바 다는 신기 지 코르에 동해 마젠바 다 디수 오늘 탑교알라 삼바로 근데 지 이무바다 다 이무바다 쌤 직배 로판보다 다는 신기지 ngо차 삼바로 드르기 삼을게 좀스
And so it says here, you need to, the advice they give is that you need to knock and shoot your own arrow. The meaning of this is knocking, that's putting the arrow on the string and shooting it yourself. This means that you need to be able to get up on your own 2 feet. You need to be able to stand on your own 2 feet yourself. So they're saying you need to have some resources, some wealth. And if you don't, you won't be able to help yourself. And if you can't help yourself, you won't be able to help anyone else either. You need to be self-sufficient and be able to stand on your own. And so there are many people who have given him this advice out of concern. And so Potoa's responses to them I say, thank you. So thank you very much for giving me that advice. But he'd never thought that that advice might be true. But not only did he never think that the advice might be true, in addition to that, he never even really thought that they were actually concerned for them. In fact, he felt even more depressed and disgusted. He thought to himself that they had never considered the fact that they're going to die. They'd never contemplated death. They never recalled the suffering of samsara. They were really quite bad off. And this is very depressing. This means that he had very wearying and sad in his mind and very astonishing.
다들 보도에게 양가 가르침 그랬잖아. 다들 콘리아 랍제 경계 됐어. 트렌드게 됐어. 계속 시야디. 아주 시기 맵이나 계속 시기 맵이나 다 고수 시야디 다가라 레스. 이나야 우리 니수 토할라 가르래도 알았잖아. 되네 우리 니수 토할라 아 상물로 예바도 칭예바 차도 알았어. 배나 가르랬잖아. 당부 가르쳐서는 응기 레기 드분도지. 응기 레기 드부 세소나 잘라 사바이나야 보라 지 가르 잘라 사고 사바이나 소미토바 주고 사바이나야 주미토바 된지 준거 알았어. 아 나바르도 에너지 가르에 지 치와사데 거두용 참여밤 거두용 학과에 매비 인두산에 디균센데 다다 지 잘라 사사데가치 잘라 소지린이야 시선 가르쳐 버렸다. 최주모도치 잘라 소지린이야 아니 시선아 가르쳐 버렸어. 다트네 신이 양결 미르딘라야 깨야여비나다 다지 양결지 최연도 제초이기레스 이내야 시세두사는 가와께 주의 가완 주의 아주 하고 매봤어. 드네 두산 디균센라 때네 때네 가수라다 구주의기다지 기시야디 지 치와 챙겐지리면데 계속 따다대는
And so what Poteau would say to those people who gave him such advice is that if you're not going to die, then that's exactly how it is. But the actual nature of things is that we are all going to die, and we do not know when or how we are going to die. And so if first we were to exhaust all of the results of our previous karma and then try to accumulate new things, then we wouldn't be able to make anything new. We wouldn't be able to get anything new. But it's uncertain when we're going to die, and we do not know how we are going to die. So if we die while still accumulating things, what are we going to do? If we haven't done any dharma, then up to that point, what will we do then? And then after you die, as it says, after you die, you could practice dharma if you're a reborn human, but you do not know where you will be reborn or go after death. So after you die, if you're going to be reborn as a human, that would be fine. But we do not know where we're going to be reborn. We do not know where we will go when we die. And so for that reason, talk such as this is a sign of not having thought about or not having recalled death.
다들 인도산 다 샴리앙 아주 곰갸이 다 곰갸디 다도 공도 쉬변는 신기 다도는 아주 상물로 칭해 말했어. 당아 펜싱 아주 머시와디 오늘 이 소남 첨부스는 장도 람주 첨부스는 장도 간다 아주 뱀미시 다가서지 쇠디 첨부레스 이나야 다다파도지 세디 미지 동세를 송아대 아주 하마고바 제네 미지 폐제 조사 미지 망보지 가 두주 망보지 촐라친 데네도 다다다 여바 캠부 니데지 가서지 여바 좀 깨고야지 디데지 니주르지 아주 테리 말이지 다 이미 계시 아주지 오늘 전에 다 미지 페이지를 조찬도 단 증민도 삼삼 그 로디 근데 응은지 ngazi geyebiina anaji mizi digba digbegi mizi gemi go basana da mizi tongse do roma go baji yonsa re de tata bod chungmindus ta tade tujuli yang anzo tezji karjo susu mizi di one karjo da ji tongse karjo tez samlo lu khorche ta maung balaji mizi di twenda de baji yonhaji gi ta ganda 지기 인 삼바로 지기 근데 지기 로 베지 까르샤 카시지 마도 메 마게 위미나 따때 오늘 지는 가서 따지 베 미즈비다 가다 깨바 상보스나 다도 람르 심부를 차디요래 제가 디 균제나 때네 아주 진지지기 간다를 된다로 시스템을 다지는 공개한다
So next we have 5 minutes of meditation. And so as before, we will meditate upon the certainty of death. Death is certain, and the fact that we have not died up to this point is actually just great merit. It's things working out really well. It's a very good luck. It's a great good fortune. But if we were to now go and leave it empty-handed or leave it meaningless, that wouldn't be good. Up to this point, we have wasted a whole lot of time. We've wasted so much time. We really need to regret that we have wasted that time. This is the situation we have come to. Because it's important that we leave this life that we do not leave this life empty-handed. And so if we think to ourselves that up to now we have wasted a little bit of time. But if we've wasted a lot of time. But if we think about this a bit, we think about how we could use this life. We really think about this carefully. It's quite possible that we will think to ourselves, now I need to do something to make this human life meaningful in the future. If we can even think this for a few seconds, then this is a really very good fortune. It is working out very well. And so I'd like to ask you to please contemplate this for a few minutes.